Sometimes we create a percentage using PowerPoint, where in the percentage we create we also include a video as one of the materials for our explanation during the percentage. It would be nice if when the slide containing the video appears, the video also plays automatically or autoplays without having to be clicked first. The way to make the video on the PowerPoint slide play automatically is very easy. Open PowerPoint or the slide containing the video in it, click on the video section until the Video Tools menu appears. Then go to the Playback menu in Video Tools, in the Video Options section. Change on click to automatically. After that, try slideshow mode and see the changes. The video will definitely play automatically or autoplay without us clicking play. How easy, right? Hopefully this tutorial can be useful for all my friends. See you in the next video.